So you got a new phone with a fingerprint scanner? Great. Nearly everyone else in your school, college, office or family will have a phone with a fingerprint scanner. What's the big deal? Today we will tell you how you can make a big deal out of that dumb fingerprint scanner and make it more useful than simply unlocking your smartphone. Coming up next on TechPP.com. Hey guys, this is Shubham from TechPP and today we will be talking about 5 tips for your Android phone's fingerprint scanner. But before we do that, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified as soon as we post a new video. Fingerprint scanners are no longer limited to just unlocking your phone. Almost every other phone maker now allows you to configure different actions with them. For instance, you can pull down the notification shade by simply swiping down on it or return to home on a single tap. The options are generally located inside the fingerprint settings, and in case you want a little more customization, you can even install additional apps, links for which will be available in the description below. Another handy feature companies have begun bundling with their phones is the ability to lock apps with a fingerprint scanner. Instead of feeding a pattern, you can simply tap the reader to get past locked applications. The option for that should be in the security settings, otherwise you can always make use of a third-party app. Signing into apps and websites with a fingerprint scanner is possible as well. All you need to do is set up a compatible password manager like 1Password or LastPass. The option for enabling this is usually available in the security section of your preferred manager setting. Google Play Store purchases can also be authenticated by swiping down on the fingerprint scanner. To enable this feature, launch the Play Store app on your phone, swipe right from the left edge and tap Settings. There, check the fingerprint authentication option, type in your Google password and you're done. Fingerprint sensors, especially glass ones, tend to get smudgy quite easily as we tap on them tens of times every day. This essentially leads to accuracy drops, forcing you to try multiple times before it lets you in. But there is a workaround which will sort of help you improve its reliability. The trick is to just add the same fingerprint twice instead of once. This, although doesn't always prove useful, in most scenarios reconfiguring or even cleaning the sensor should be enough. So that's it for this video. We hope it helped you get the most out of your smartphone's fingerprint sensor. Until the next time, may the tech be with you.